The most common reasons for disputes between homeowners and HOA boards that we see is basically rule enforcement. Either the HOA is telling the homeowner that they can't do something per a specific rule, or the homeowner is asking the HOA to do something per a specific rule. An HOA might be telling a homeowner that they can't have a particular vehicle or a particular part of their home, like a lanai or a gazebo or something to that effect. A homeowner might be asking their HOA to properly maintain the property, which is also listed in the governing documents. So all of this ultimately boils down to rule enforcement and checks and balances. It's kind of like a small government, and the HOA is kind of like a small government in which you have rules, and there's a governing document, kind of like a constitution, which tells you what those rules are and the rights and obligations and duties of the parties. And most disputes come down to the parties failing to comply with those rules, both the board and sometimes homeowners.